Hey everyone, it's the Train Freak here. And I've got another mail call. I've actually got two items in. One happens to be a item that I purchased off of eBay. I thought would look really good with my layout. And the other item was something that I took advantage of from Cousin Vinny's live stream a couple of Fridays ago. Now, before I get to showing you those items, I would like to remind everyone too, and make sure you fill in the bell so that way you get those future notifications, because I do have that 200 subscriber contest giveaway coming up very soon. Last I checked, I'm at 174 subscribers. When I hit 180, I will open the contest. Once I hit 200 and keep it for a few days, I will close that contest, and someone's going to be winning some really nice prizes, either in N scale, HO scale, or O scale. And those prizes are kind of valued about $50 each, so for each category, but only one winner. Also, before you do subscribe to my videos, make sure you at least, watch a couple and then comment, because they got a bad habit about taking people off. They have taken subscribers off of my channel, and they have taken me off of other people's channels. So make sure that, before you do subscribe, watch a little bit of the videos and then comment and then subscribe. And then that way, that'll make sure that YouTube won't take you off, and then you'll be still eligible for my 200 subscriber giveaway. Alright, so on to the mail call. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and opened the boxes because I wasn't going to try to do that one-handed, because I am holding my camera in one hand while I'm actually opening. So I have not got to see any of the items in the boxes, so this is an actual fully unboxing, and we'll see what I got. So this one come from eBay. This is an item I purchased. Now the item I purchased was supposed to be a ENC models. It's supposed to be Southern Pacific, one of the bigger wood chip hoppers. And in his item description, it said that it's supposed to come with KD couplers and metal wheels. And the pictures were not that great, but I was like, yeah, $15, probably ain't a bad buy for that. And then it only had like maybe $5 shipping. So by the time taxes and stuff was done, it was like $22. So for something that comes with metal wheels, and it's supposed to have an actual wood chip load in it, which we'll see what that looks like, I was like, that's not a bad buy in my opinion. Now, if you think that is a bad buy, hey, please let me know so that way I know to do better homework. Because I really don't know much about ENC shops for as far as a hobby, for HO scale as far as the manufacturer. So let's see what I got. Alright. And looks like he packed it pretty well. Okay, here's the item. So he wrapped it in a bag. So move that out of my way. Okay, so there's my item right there. And there's a piece of paper in here too. What is that? I bet you it's my receipt. Yeah. Okay. So after shipping and taxes, it was $24.71. But the item itself that I purchased was $14.99. He had it listed as HOENC Shops 60-foot wood chip hopper smooth side, Southern Pacific number 355287 with a load. So, alright, get that out of here. So here's our item. And I'm going to go ahead and slide that out. Oh, looks like it's got a little bit of weathering on it too. Okay, so let's see here. So it does have the metal wheels. And it looks like, let me get that more in light. There we go. It looks like it's weathered, so that's a plus for sure. That's one less car I got to worry about weathering. I'm not a big fan that the KD couplers have the air hoses clipped, because if you get the magnets on your track, that's how the KD couplers work as far as uncoupling themselves. because there's going to be some areas on my layout that's not going to be easy to reach with the uncoupling tool. Looks like he colored the brake wheel a different color, I guess, to simulate rust. Don't look too bad. Here's the wood chip load. I might add another layer of sawdust on that. I mean, that's pretty low key for sure. And let's see. Yep, it looks like the load is removable, so that's even better. Let's see if I can get it to come out. Yeah, I'll probably have to get in there and break it loose, but it does look removable, so that's a nice thing. I'll probably have to get in there and add some magnets to it so that I can magnetic out. Alright, so there's that one. Now this one here, I took advantage of Cousin Vinny. bnsf6951 had a live stream back on July the 31st. That was a Friday. And he had two guests on there. He had, I cannot remember their names. So, Vinny, feel free to comment when you see this video. Feel free to comment who your guest was. But one of them was from Yankee Dabbler. It was one of the guys who owns the hobby shop. And the other one is one of the owners or representatives for Vinny's other sponsor, Highways and Byways. And so Yankee Dabbler and Highways and Byways partnered together. And Yankee Dabbler said, as long as you buy an item off of Yankee Dabbler that, you know, just comes from Highways and Byways, they were going to send a free sheet of yellow stripes or white stripes, and it didn't matter if you were HO scale or N scale. So I took advantage of it, and then Yankee Dabbler also allowed us to use, you know, bnsf6951 as our promo code, and he said something about every purchase he was going to send $1 worth of credit to Cousin Vinny to use for future prizes or something like that. So Vinny, feel free to correct me if I'm wrong on those. So let me show you what I ordered. Ooh, they got this packed very well. Let's see if I can get it out one-handed. If not, I'll have to pause the video and come right back. Oh, I got some stuff coming out. Looks like a couple of envelopes. Oh, what is that? That might be my receipt. Yeah, that's what that is. So let me show you how they pack this thing, man. They put cardboard in there, and they actually had these two envelopes shoved in between the cardboard. So I guess that helps prevent bending, which is very awesome on Highways and Byways part, because that's actually where this package came from. Yeah, that's just my receipt from Yankee Dabbler. Okay, so what I purchased was the retail parking lot set. Let's see what all come in here. We have a sheet of white stripes here, a sheet of yellow stripes. These are our arrows, stops, drive-throughs, enter, exits that you could put on your pavement. Let's see if I got anything else. Okay, we got a little bit more. We also have red stripes for, I guess, fire lanes and whatnot. Oh, and I see some more in this envelope, so I'm slowly trying to get it out. Alright, this should be the last two pieces. We've got some labels that say fire lane, no parking, tow away zone. And of course, you can't have a good parking lot without some handicaps, decals to go in some of the handicap spaces. Alright, and because I purchased this within that 24-hour period, I got a second set of yellow road stripes at no charge. So I ended up paying, before taxes, $24 for every bit of this. $24 for that, and that was after using Cousin Vinny's BNSF code, or promo code BNSF6951, and then this was my freebie item. So that's all I've got as far as my mail call this time. I'm looking at hopefully trying to get some more items locked in, and I'm working on another project, which I'm not going to spoil right now, but just be it known that I am working on something really cool for as far as other prizes in the future. But other than that, I'm going to let y'all have at it. Y'all have a great rest of the weekend. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch a couple of my videos before you subscribe, and at least comment. It helps. That way you'll be stuck to it. Make sure you shade in that bell, because like I said, once I hit 180, I only need 6 more subscribers. Once I hit 180, I'm going to open that next contest up. And somebody's going to be winning a prize in either O scale, HO scale, or N scale. And then, you know, thumbs up. That helps get YouTube's algorithms, you know, my video out in the public a lot better. And feel free to share if you want to. And comment. So, alright, y'all take care. Have a great rest of the weekend. Happy railroading.